Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So first of all, let's start with opening the settings. Whilst you're in the general settings, simply scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and tap on reset options. Here on the third position you've got the reset all settings option, so this is the option we're looking for, and here your device is informing you that it will reset some features, some of the settings, including the function switches option and the personalized settings and the content built-in during setup. So if you're ready, tap on reset all settings. Your device also informs you that this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on reset all settings. Your device will restore the default options, so before your customization. As you can see, sometimes your device will need itself to be restarted, so simply wait patiently and the restart operation will be done after turning on the device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.